We're at Verde Elementary School with volunteers from Robert Half and HandsOn Bay Area to transform this bleak blacktop into a vibrant U.S. map. And I'm using a paintbrush as a microphone. We're here with Eric Acosta-Papraskas. He's the principal at Verde Elementary School, and he's going to talk to us a little bit about the relationship between volunteers and Verde Elementary School.
The volunteer project that's taking place today is beautification of our blacktop. We're going to get a United States map stenciled in and then some color added to soccer fields, basketball courts, tether balls, and all that. Our kids are so excited. Verde Elementary is indebted to its volunteers. My staff works tirelessly to serve our students in their community. We just don't have all of the resources and all of the bandwidth to do everything that we dream of. That's why we reach out to community partners to do amazing things like this.
I'm with Gannon and Ambrosia, and they're going to tell us about today's event at Verde Elementary. They're with HandsOn Bay Area. They brought their paint pants, and I brought my only jeans I have.
HandsOn Bay Area represents schools, parks, and nonprofits all across the Bay, making it really easy for anyone to get involved, whether you're at a corporate environment or an individual in the community.
So I'd say there's three parts. One, we increase awareness of the needs of the community. Two, we make it really easy for you. We bring everything you need, just need to have some time and energy. And three, we fuel further action.
I'm with Silvana. She's a business intelligence analyst at Robert Half. She's got paint on her hands, a little paint on her face. She's going to tell us about her favorite part of the day.
The best part of the day was having the teachers come out and be in total awe of how beautiful the blacktop looked.
Alright, so we had a tornado come and hit us today, and we weren't able to get the map of the U.S. done. We did do some basketball courts, we painted those, we painted some Foursquare, I painted myself, but it was a great time.